him about what deferred was and what the conditions were. It's not too bad, Judge, but it's getting close.
I mean, it's 200 days. So I'll give you till Monday.
Okay.
What did you offer?
It's 4 hours anger management.
Okay.
And Judge, he lives in New Orleans, so would you mind if he is waived Monday? We'll make the decision this week, let you know Monday what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
Okay.
If he wants to accept it Monday, we'll give him like 2 weeks to get it done. And then otherwise, yeah.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Thank you for letting me know, because I didn't know. All right, have a good one.
Yeah. Mr. Striker.
Judge.
How are you, man?
Oh, good. Good to see you, Judge. I was approaching on Mr. Phil Detterville on today's docket. Mr.
You picked up a
Detterville.
new case?
Well, no, he's been sitting in jail for quite a long time. He's had the felonies pending.
Felony?
He's had felonies pending in the in Harris County for quite a while. He has about 114 days credit. Long story short.
That's not him.
And again, yeah, I think in talking with the felony.
Really weird because I know him and I don't see that in him.
And interesting, Judge, that's, I think, what the defense attorney in the felony case has proposed. So there's some issues with the felonies. However, he was willing to resolve the case today. The plea offer right now in the felonies is TDC time. He's willing to resolve this case today. It's not pleading to any of the allegations in the allegations in the felonies are not listed in the MHA.
I think that regardless, we're not going to be able to do anything, because it's just way too much stuff up there.
From him or.
Yeah, just unset for me. It's just if for some magically delicious reason, like he's done and he's back on the street, let him know. He continues to pick up the trespasses, the exact same thing.
Thank you for caring.
No more just revolving door. Yeah. Okay. Well, it's that time of year. Okay. Mr. Johnson, right?
Very brief, I'm talking better.
Okay.
I think you should avoid it. Cause 254-8089-90. Do the stay real quick. I'm just gonna have to travel. 254-8089.
July.
So he's got randoms. He works with the construction crew. They got a job in Lake Charles from Monday the 10th to April the 13th. He's got his interlock. He can take it with him, not a problem. He just, if he gets called.
If he gets called on, he has to go to a Quest.
Diagnostics.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Hey. That thing's still open. Man.
Judge. So, he's here, or he was here. I think he's in the hallway, but, Judge, he has two Mandela cases that are 15 to life.
I know all that stuff. What do you want to do here?
They don't want to dismiss it, so, they wanted to set it. So we can set it. It's just
I get
it's a
it.
constant thing. They don't want to.
So whatever day you want.
So thank you, Judge.
Yeah. Do they have offers upstairs or no? Hey, ready? Hey, what's going on?
I'm here, Mr.
Oh, it's old. Ay, ay, ay. Ruben, what do you want to do?
Judge, I'm okay with, if you give us a trial date. They just gave us an offer today, a reduction from a DWI 2 to a DWI 1. And, I was talking to them, basically getting emotional. I'm out next week, so I just was wondering if I can get a 2 or 3 week reset, allow them to think on it.
Do you want to do a plea or do you want to do a trial?
To think on it. So that.
But it's 240 days, 3
That's why I
weeks.
said it's okay if you want us to give us a trial date and if we're able.
No, but I don't want a separate trial unless you really want to go to trial. I mean, you wanted Monday to think?
I'm out next week. That's why I'm asking for the extra time.
No, sir. Who's your client? Quick.
HCP?
Okay.
HCP.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, is he here now? You can't zoom in? Because I have Zoom too.
Plea, no, if you decide.
No, not for a plea, just to let me know if you want a plea.
Oh, okay, and then give a plea date? Yeah, I can do that. You just want me to come in?
Pick a day next week.
Okay,
Let me know if you want to do some trial or if you want to do the plea, and then I'll give you a date. It's not going to be far, but I'll give you a date.
got
Okay,
this.
pick a day next week, whatever you want.
All right.
Any day but Friday.
Okay.
Judge, can we please go over the conditions for Mr. Garrett and field trials?
Yes. You have a lawyer yet?
I believe so. They kind of gave me the reset, so I just assumed you guys addressed it already.
No. I mean, who's the lawyer on Garrett?
David, you talked to him already.
Yeah, but I want to know about mom, because
Counsel for reset. Counsel for reset. We have it. We have. Thursday tomorrow.
hey, where are you?
Yes.
Yeah.
I guess,
Yeah, so we'll make sure that's done.
who's the lawyer on Gardner? Sims, so
And they reset it for the 24th.
they did reset, it. Okay. So I guess that's when I'll now unsign everything.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Antonio, you ready?
Judge,
¿Qué onda?
you remember Rodrigo Hernandez? He's the one that, he's in the hospital. He's like,
Yeah. Okay, I do. He was like, you showed me the picture and he was all,
he's in ICU and.
Yeah.
So,
what's going on with him?
well, they transferred him to a different unit, Judge, and this is, I have what,
Is he still in the hospital?
not the hospital, well, they transferred him to a different unit. I'm not sure.
Like hospice or something?
This is.
Yeah, but he must be out though.
Hmm?
If he's out, we need him here, you know? I know that you need further evaluation, but
According to his family, he's like a vegetable, you know?
we still got to do something with it though.
I understand. Well, what are we gonna do?
I mean, if you can give them proof, maybe that'll help, you know? If you can somehow get proof that he's in that kind of mental state, that, and he's not,
It even says memory deficit, you know?
well, I forget things. Sure. Selective memory. No, I'm serious, San Antonio, but if you can probably show Blaine, we've got great prosecutors here. If you show that he's in that, like mindset and he's incapable of recovering, you know?
All right, thank you, Judge.
Hey. What's up?
Just one of those days,
Yeah,
man,
man.
you know, good to see you too.
It's been a while.
The beard is filling in there.
Where are you working?
You know, right now we're on floor 11 for Mac and I do miss felonies too, but I like to do.
No. I'm with drama upstairs. You know,
Sometimes it's like.
I know. I know.
Anyway, so I got Garcia Ibarra, first name Eduardo. He's on your docket. His appearance was waived today.
Wait a second. Garcia, oh, I see it. Okay.
I have a motion.
Wait a second. I have Dan on it.
I have a motion to sub on file.
Subbing in.
Yes, sir. And that's why I'm approaching, because it's old.
Right.
And I just need one reset to look at it.
But it's 184 days. I'll give you 30, but, and then, do you have an offer on the case?
I'm gonna pull it up, I'm gonna ask Mackenzie.
Please.
Keep all
Oh, also my motion to sub, Your Honor, hasn't been signed yet as part of
Yeah, it's
it.
been pushed through now, Judge.
Okay, I'll sign it now.
Thanks, Judge.
And then, I have one if you need.
Offer on Ibarra, Judge.
You might.
Yes.
We will forego the apology. Dismissal alone is enough for me, just so you know.
Okay.
Okay.
That's all you, friend.
Thanks, Judge. I appreciate it.
That's the new one. Charm, as well.
Are you okay?
No, right? Because you said I was clear. Yeah. No, but I just want to get
Oh, Judge, we do have two offers to borrow. It just.
Yeah, but I'm giving him 30 days now because he's subbing in, so that's why I just want to make sure there's something on there.
Do you want one more time because it's a relatively new case, still.
Okay, I get it. But he's saying he's in a vegetative state. I was saying,
I just wanted to just
Not
one
before reset.
more setting, just
hey,
like,
you know what would be nice? If you can get a rip done
absolutely.
and then somehow maybe your guys can figure out, is he truly like this? Is there a way that he can be restored? And then, Yeah.
And also too, just getting something updated from the hospital, because it looks like, we're talking about the DWI, right?
Yeah.
and,
Yeah, if we get something updated from the hospital too, just what his progress is.
yeah, okay, for sure.
All right.
Can we take this stuff out so I don't sign it
Oh,
again?
yes. Sorry, let me go back to it.
That's okay. I just don't want to sign it again.
For dismissal. Also, order of others. Speak time period, what's the question? He goes up there, all these I think it's just a question. Yeah. He reports that Chelsea, it's wrong, he's on the board, his time. Council will reset into the plea.
Felicia,
And then also just.
I'm waiting for Abel to come so we can talk about Garrett.
All right, I'll.
Hey, Michael Stoll,
Yes, sir.
what's up, man?
I was just waiting for some forms.
You look good.
Thank you, so do you.
What's new?
How's the rodeo? Going for you?
Man.
Go to the cook-off at all? No.
No. Did you go?
Yeah, so, a friend was in town from New York and she had heard about the rodeo from like a friend of hers who lived in Dallas.
And people to be able to get into one of those tents where you just gorge, and I don't know anyone to be able to do it,
Let's just put it this way. I look forward to cook-off more so for the business afterwards. I mean, you were guaranteed, like everybody was guaranteed at least one.
And now the police are out of force too. I'm live streaming, so be careful, just for what it's worth.
But I mean, it's,
So you went to the cook-off though?
yeah, I went to the cook-off one and it was
That one's more important.
It was a good
It's so much fun, because it's the best barbecue in the world.
It is. It
You
is.
know,
And then I've
just-
got, so I actually got tickets from a friend of mine and it was like for a small dude. And they ended up being one of the overall finalists.
Wow.
Yeah, so and like another mutual friend of ours was one of the.
Yeah, how can the judges even tell?
I
Like,
mean,
what's one different from the other? How
I
can
mean,
you even freaking
listen,
tell?
a lot of judges, so they have certain criteria that they're looking for, but with barbecue, it's like I know what my favorite type of barbecue is. I know what I look for in a rib,
Yeah, I like the chancho, man.
but I would love to be a judge.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, no offense, but.
Just, hey, you ready? Abel,
Yes, sir.
so
Garrett? Is that?
Garrett,
Yes, sir.
terroristic threat against allegedly mom.
Okay.
Could have been an assault. Not.
My aunt had, she'd be my uncle.
No, but according to what I was reading here, you know, he's lucky that it's not filed as an assault. And the thing is that do we let him go home? What's going to happen if not? Because come up, Mr. Garrett. When I have these types of cases, normally I don't let the people go back. Or do you want to talk first and then you come?
Judge, can we step down?
Oh, yeah.
And if you can, Judge, he'll be available at noon to speak, so if we can hold off until noon, I can talk to him.
So, Mac, so does she want him back? If she wants him back, under what parameters? What rules do you want? You know, give her your phone number, so if he starts acting a fool, she's got a hotline to you and we'll take care of business. But I mean, from what I saw and what read, I mean, it could have been filed as an assault.
Yeah,
No?
absolutely. All right, thank you, Judge.
So you're.
No, she's not available until noon.
You want to sit there at noon, Judge?
No, not really, but because I don't want to make you wait. But at the same time, I mean, I have a feeling I know what I think that she's going to say, but I want to know that she knows that she's protected.
Right, I speaking to him, that's the case. But I had him wait outside.
Right.
Oh, because I was gonna talk to the DA first.
Okay, do what you need to do, and then I'll have you mention, and then. You want to go through the list?
Yes, Judge, page 1, the post of Flores, 3 bonds posted. So it's okay.
10,003. Give me a second, I have to do it. Oh, he's in jail.
The post of Flores?
Yeah.
It's on my bond house. Yeah. Well, look at that felony.
Oh, I just noticed that.
And there's a judgment in there, that's 2013.
It shows active though. That's really weird. Hey guys, look it up, Costa, will you?
Costa Flores?
Yeah. What's going on with the felon? Yeah. Come on up.
Here?
So the first thing I told Mr. Garrett is that he's not to use any illegal substances and that you're going to 40 days to 45 days from today. If I find that you're using anything illegal, including THC, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When I have these types of cases, I typically prevent the person here to have any contact with or to go back to the house where the complaining witness lives. Does he currently live there now?
He does, Judge.
It's going to be a problem. So how, because what the last thing I want, Mr. Garrett, are more words to exchange and you end up with another case because there's now bad blood between you two. That's the last thing I want. So how do we prevent that from happening, Abe? What do we do?
Judge, I request that the court order no harmful injurious contact with the CW. It doesn't appear that a no contact order is required or warranted at this point, Judge.
From what I read, it could have been an assault that you could have been charged with in addition to this case here. What do you think? Say.
Our state would request, I mean, we've got a call scheduled to complain anything. State would request some sort of cooling off periods, right? There would be no contact order, very dangerous cases. We usually have very cooling off periods since these are fresh charges.
Do we put him on the street though? Because essentially that's what's going to happen. He's 22, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
We can also, I mean, hold off till. She said noon.
Yeah.
If it would be okay with the court, I know it's be later in the day till noon. Yeah.
Judge, she's at the hospital right now, so that's,
Why?
I didn't ask.
How do you know that she's in the hospital? Figure out, I guess.
Let's reapproach.
So
It is up now.
are you done? Do you have anything else to do?
The reason I came back.
So for now, let's do this. I'm gonna allow him to go back. You guys get a hold of her. If for some reason she says that she doesn't want him back, let me know. I'll get in contact with him and then I'm gonna modify the order so that he can't go back to the house. I'm gonna assume because of the relationship, right? And I don't want to put him on the street, but if she doesn't want him back, then obviously I want to follow the complaining witness's wishes. That's what I always want to do. I don't know if she wants you back, but be that as it may, self-control. Because I find that you are mistreating this person, threatening, abusive in any way. And I'm going to tell you now that conduct in and of itself can violate this court order. If I go like this, is that threatening or harassing? It most certainly is, and it'll land your ass in jail. You think it's funny.
No,
Just wait till you get behind and you'll see. I'm trying to tell you that exercise self-control because I will protect every person. And if I find that you become an issue to her, it's not going to go well for you. I will test you 40 days from today. If you test positive for dope, it's not going to go well for you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I know.
The state's concerned that he's not taking this seriously. Sorry.
I get it. I get it. Well, he's on notice of what he can and can't do. And the problem is that there are a lot of people on a very fixed income. And I'm going to tell you now that the complaining witness in this case, she's on a fixed income. So you go to jail with a $5,000 to $10,000 bond. Just please admonish him accordingly, April. Okay. So don't worry about filing conditions because it'll be with Felicia. Okay. Oh, no, Felicia, no weapons as well, please. No, I'm with you. It's.
Did you say to recess in
40 days, so we.
Okay. 22nd through the 24th.
There's required, right?
I'll call them up the sign. There's a couple of questions and they will see the card for the new date. So, right, but just don't. Hey, guys, are you done with your sequence? Because I need to get some. They have their other reset. I have it. I'm sorry. Can you guys should have to read them? You can like. Well, maybe you can see the after change it. Thank you.
I think so.
Yes. Yes. No, because what they do is they're gonna pull this up. The ones they supervise and dismiss with the signature, judge's signature specifically. There you go.
So you're recording that session?
Yes.
Any part?
Alright.
No.
All right, Vic, did you, on Acosta, the first one, did you, no, but meaning that he got a GOB or he got a PR bond again and didn't appear? Yeah.
It wasn't out of county, did I?
Lakia Andrews.
So it was 3 bonds. The first one was the GOP, yes, at the very bottom, the Indians. Bonded out, didn't,
I see it. Okay, it's a good one. So 10,003.
okay, 10,000.
Who's next?
Next judge is page 2, Alvarez. I think we're expecting a dismissal.
Hey, guys, you mind checking on Alvarez? Is there a dismissal coming?
Yes, sorry, Harvey, yes, I'm.
Yeah, okay, sweet. Well, not sweet.
Alright, next is. Ms. Andrews, right this way. He is confident.
Oh, no, I swatted it.
When you print out what she said, you just have a specific document. Okay. Huh? Oh, good. Okay, well, this is- All right, Judge, next is. Oh, page 17 and 18, Bill Shine.
Oh, yeah, 2501.
Page 20, Jones.
R. Jones, didn't I find no PC on this one?
I'm not sure about.
This is him.
But this was the one they gave him 2 different dates on his bond paperwork.
No, that's someone else. Okay, so 5,002 on this one.
VO?
Yeah.
Okay, doesn't know under it.
You remember the one that we did, the PC with Miss Tichy? The guy was real animated. No, that's what I thought. Is it not the same? That's not the same one?